Okay, we're out front of 2511 East Oakdale. Nice quiet block. Not a dead-end street, but there's not a lot of cross traffic that would come through here. Beautiful brick front. Very nice 3-bedroom house in Fishtown / Port Richmond. Really nice ceiling height. Beautiful exposed brick. It's currently staged. Landlord would prefer to rent it staged, but will rent it without furniture as well. Beautiful floors. So in theory, could be a nice, very nice dining and living area, or the bar can stay. Very nice kitchen, stainless steel appliances, really nice amount of storage, and great natural light. The owner of this has designed many really spectacular homes, and it's evident here. Everything's thought through. Gas range, cooktop, built-in microwave, dishwasher. There's a staged coffee bar over here. Down through there is the basement. Fantastic storage space. We'll go down there soon. In the back first, though, is a really nice back patio. Really spacious. Very private. There's a breezeway here. And then out through this door is an alley where, this is gonna take me a second, is an alley where you could take your trash out, which is just really nice. Back into the house. Show you the basement last. Again, it's unfinished space, has utilities, but tons of storage space. The basement runs the almost, or if not all, the whole length of the house. So it's really tons of storage space. Okay, so we got 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom on this floor. Really nicely curated. We'll head to the front bedroom first. There's a nice hall closet here. There's 2 closet doors there with drawers at the bottom. Really nice ceiling height throughout, hi-hats throughout, even more exposed brick, beautiful. Hello. So in here are your closets. Nice depth, and have some built-ins, rustic built-ins. And then again, below here are drawers that you could pull out. That is a door to the next bedroom, so they can connect, or they don't have to. Okay, this is the first bedroom. next bedroom is staged with bunk beds. Again, doesn't have to be that way. It could be a great office. Could be a huge closet. And it could be a third bedroom. It's definitely large enough for that. Nice ceiling height. Again, beautiful floors. Okay. Last but definitely not least is this bathroom. Beautiful tile. Glass shower. Very nice vanity. Beautiful mirror. Just a very nice home. Okay, and then in the back is your third bedroom. The electric's not on. The owner just hasn't turned it on yet since the occupants just left. But that's why it's a little darker, just because the lights aren't on. Okay. Really nice closet space. Now again, let's go down and see the basement. It's not finished space, and the lights are not on. So because of that, it might be a little bit dark. Okay. So you have washer dryer, your hot water heater, and your furnace to heat the home. Really clean, very functional. Back here is additional storage space. I'm gonna try and show it to you, but I can't see it. Okay, we'll have pictures of it, okay? But it's large storage space. Again, really nice house. Very nice location. I thank you for watching. If you're interested, please reach out ASAP. And we're happy to show it to you in person. Sorry about the filter. Okay, have a great day.